Hi everyone. For this clip, it's going to be an overview of how to use SimNet. Okay, click on assignment and make sure that you select on the right class by click on the right hand side, select another class. You have to select on MIS 1221 computer literacy for section 401 to 403, 408 to 409. And then you will see the list of exam, projects, and lesson here. But if you cannot see this page, make sure that you click on assignments and select on the right class. So you're gonna see this page. Let's talk about how to use. Inside SimNet, there are lesson and exam. The concept will be like this. You have to complete all lesson first, and then you can do the exam. Okay, for the lesson, there are 5 lessons from L1 to L5. Make sure that when you do, you click on the right section that you are in. Okay, the lesson will be from lesson 1 to lesson 5. And for exam, will be from exam 1 to exam 5, exam 4 and 1 project. Okay, so it's gonna pairing with exam. For example, lesson 1, Excel fundamental knowledge. When you do L1 finish, you have to do the exam E1. You have to do exam E1. So it's gonna be like this. L2 with E2, L3 with E3, L4 with E4. But for the last one, L5, there is something different. L5 gonna be paired with projects. For projects, it's different from exam. It's gonna use the real Excel environment. So you have to download the instruction and file and run in your Microsoft Excel, and when you finish you have to upload. So just change the environment because for exam 1 to 4 it's going to be online test, but for projects it's going to use your Excel application. So when we learn lesson 5, I will explain you again about how to do the project. Okay, at this point, let's talk about lesson 1 first. You have to start by click on lesson 1. Let's see what are inside lesson 1. It is about Excel fundamental knowledge. There are 9 tasks. You have to complete all of them. I already complete the first one. So it show like this. When you click, it's gonna be handout. You should read the document here first, and then you can do show me, guide me, and let me try. For show me, it's gonna be a short video clip about 1 minute. It will be an overview for these topics. Let's see together. That's all for show me. Click to close and then go to the next guide me. Guide me will guide you like this. Read from number 1. Click the Q1 Q2 worksheet tab. So you have to search for Q1 Q2 and click to follow the instruction. It's correct. Click continue. Click anywhere in column D. Anywhere in column D, find out column D and then click. Click anywhere in row 3. This is row 3. Click. Click cell D3. Click the formula bar. Formula bar is here. Click the name box. Click status bar. Is here. So it's gonna show like this when you're done. Click to close guide me. And the last one, let me try. Read step 1. Click Q1 Q2 worksheet. Click anywhere in column D. So it's gonna be the same question. If you do it incorrect, it's gonna show like this. Read the explanation and click to continue. Click anywhere in column D. So you can do until the last step. I will skip and talk about exam now. When you finish all tasks in lesson 1, you can do E1. So the important thing is you must finish all topics in L1 and then do exam 1. Otherwise you cannot get a high score. For exam, you can try or attempt 3 times. You can attempt 3 times. Let's click take exam. For exam, it has a time limitation. For this exam, there are 30 minutes, which you can see from here. Apply accounting number format to the selected cells. Click OK when you finish. Click cell B6. Click OK. Unhide column B. Click next. Click the part of the workbook that may display statistical information about the selected data. If you do something incorrect, it's going to show like this. The status bar appear at the bottom of the worksheet grid and display information about the selected data. Click OK, and it's gonna go to the next question. Delete this row. Delete this row. Right click and delete. So you can do until the last question, which is 25. But you can also exit if you want by click close to end exam. But for exam, you can attempt only 3 times and it's gonna choose the maximum score to send to me. After you finish, it's gonna show the question and the answer like this. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so let's see how score sent to me. Click on course manager. Only me that can see gradebook. When you submit your task, it's gonna send to my gradebook. Like this. Okay, there are some of you already done. Okay. Okay. Everything has a score. Can you see? Lesson as well. Lesson also has a score. So you must complete both lesson and exam. Okay, this is how SimNet works. Okay, let's go back. After you attempt 3 times, the exam gonna be disappear from your assignment page. So don't worry if you cannot see it anymore. It means you already attempt 3 times. But the lesson will not disappear. The lesson will not disappear. For the lesson, you can do it again and again for prepare for final exam. Okay. Next, if you want to activate your account in case that you use courtesy account, please click on your name and then click on products tab and then activate by enter registration code here and click add my code. This is how to activate your account. Okay, so if you have any question, you can leave in the comment box in YouTube as well. Okay, next. Next, let's go back. I will talk about the task for this week that you have to do. This week, you must do exam 0, lesson 1 and E1. Lesson 1 and E1 you already know, right? But what is E0 or exam 0? Exam 0 is Excel chill test. This one allow you to attempt 99 times. This one just for make you familiar with exam environment. So you can try it. It's easy. Just make you familiar with exam environment, but it also has a few score as well. There are only 5 questions. So don't forget to try this before you do exam 1. Okay.